Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enter promo codes on Papa John's. Now, in order to do it, you need to first come to the official website of papajohns.com, and over here in the top right hand corner of the screen, you will see this enter a promo code option. So you need to simply enter the promo code in this section and click on the apply now button. Now, if you want to know how you can get or find the latest working promo codes as of January 2025, I've created a detailed video on this topic as well, which you can check out on my channel, and I will also try to put the link of that video down in the description. So with the help of that video, you can find the latest working promo codes and you can use those promo codes in this section. So again, I'm going to repeat it. You just have to simply paste the promo code in this section and click on the apply button, and it will show you the discounts associated with that promo code. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.